Have you ever been frustrated by a tracking issue on your website? It can be really annoying when your analytics tools don't work as expected. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to solve a common problem with Facebook pixel tracking. I totally understand your concern. It's frustrating when a simple page refresh can lead to duplicate transactions being recorded. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar issues with Facebook Pixel. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How can I prevent Facebook Pixel from tracking the same transaction twice?" They explained that when users refresh their purchase confirmation page, the data is sent again, causing Facebook to compile the purchase values twice. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to tackle this. So, what's happening here? When a user refreshes the confirmation page, the Facebook Pixel triggers again, sending the same transaction data. Unlike Google Analytics, which uses a transaction ID to prevent duplicates, Facebook Pixel doesn't have this built-in feature. But don't worry, we can work around it. And make sure to stick around. I'll share a simple solution at the end that can help you avoid this issue altogether. To prevent Facebook Pixel from tracking the same transaction twice, the user should implement a unique transaction ID for each purchase. This ID will help Facebook identify whether the transaction has already been recorded. Next, the user should modify the Facebook Pixel code on the purchase confirmation page. They need to include the transaction ID in the Pixel event call to ensure it is sent only once. Additionally, the user can implement a check to see if the transaction ID has already been sent to Facebook. This can be done using local storage or session storage in the user's browser. Finally, the user should test the implementation. They can do this by making a test purchase and refreshing the confirmation page to ensure the transaction is only recorded once. Fun fact, did you know that the first Facebook Pixel was launched back in 2015? It has come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution involves using sessions. Before displaying the purchase confirmation page, you can set a session flag to trigger the Facebook Pixel code. After the code is rendered, you remove the session flag. This way, if the user refreshes the page, the session will not be set, preventing the Facebook Pixel from tracking the transaction again. This method was implemented in a user's extension for the Neta framework, which you can find at the provided GitHub link. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution shared by another user involves using Facebook's Event ID parameter to prevent duplicate tracking of transactions. By including this parameter in your tracking code, you can ensure that even if a user refreshes the purchase confirmation page, the event is only recorded once. Here's a pro tip. Always test your implementation in a staging environment before going live. This can save you from potential tracking issues down the line. And there you have it. You now have the tools to prevent Facebook Pixel from tracking the same transaction twice. Remember, testing is key to a smooth implementation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.